What size birth ball should you get? It all depends on your height, and I'm about to go through the descriptions as to which size fits in with which height. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of Pregactive. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the Pregactive YouTube channel. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them below. So if you are between 150 and 165 centimeters tall, then a 55 centimeter ball is for you. If you work in feet and inches, I will drop conversions in the descriptions below. If you are between 165 centimeters and 180 centimeters, then a 65 centimeter ball is for you. And if you are between 180 centimeters and 200 centimeters, then a 75 centimeter ball is for you. When you pump it up, it's really important that you pump it up not too hard. You don't want a really hard ball. You want to have some bounce in it, and you don't want it to be too squishy either. So you also, that's the design of the height, your knees should not be higher than your hips when you sit on it. You want to have your hips slightly higher than your knees. When you are sitting on it, you don't want to have your knees going beyond your heels or your toes. You want to have your feet out, comfortable, and then you can move so that you can easily get on and off the ball as well. Hopefully those tips really help. I'll drop in the descriptions everything you need to know. Ask me any questions. In the description below, I'll also include a range of different birth ball exercises and stretches perfect for pregnancy and birth preparation. For more videos just like this, visit pregactive.com.